3 seconds. Start. For over a year now, the education sector has been particularly hard hit all across the world due to the COVID-19 pandemic. All learners, from grade scholars to those studying in higher education institutions, have been affected, with education system in both developing states as well as less developed nations feeling the effects in various degrees. And while high income states have been able to cope to some extent, countries with limited sources such as ours, where the public education system is already in a very weak condition, have faced major challenges in meeting educational goals during the pandemic. As per half of the world's students are still affected by partial or full school closures, while over 10 million additional children will fall below the minimum proficiency level in regarding as a result of the health crisis. Schools in Pakistan have mostly remained closed during the pandemic, opening for short periods when cases have dipped but closing again when numbers rose. On Monday, the Sindh government announced that schools could reopen on the 30th September of this month if they ensured 100% vaccination of staff as well as 50% attendance of students. On the same day, school owners and staff held protests in various Sindh cities and towns calling for all educational institutions to be reopened. Balancing the need for education, Pakistan's children, while ensuring their health and that of school staff, is indeed a tough call. While college and university students can cope better with online lessons, younger learners find it more difficult. Also, there are issues of access, as low income households cannot afford reliable high speed internet and tablets, smartphones, etc. to enable online learning.